It is so much fun to be inside a computer game. You know what is more fun? That I made a new friend. And we had a lot of fun together. But then, it's time for me to leave. Come here! Come here! Hey, hey, hey! Come here! Come here! Come here! Hey, hey, hey! Come here! The dog is just not responding. And then I remembered, this dog came from a computer. So maybe I just need to train my dog. And the only way to train my dog is to train it like the same way we program computers. We just need to program our dog. I'm gonna show you how, and you are gonna help me. So let's take a look. We are going to use something called Scratch. I will leave the link in the description. So, when you open it, you first have a cat. Well, I need my dog, so I'm going to remove the cat. And then we add our dog. So we click on this icon on the bottom and we search for our dog. Well, there is everything here: food, people, animals. I need some animals first. So let's look for our dog, and it looks like we found it. Here is our dog. Alright, so the dog needs to be somewhere. We need to choose a room or a place to put our dog. So we go here, choose a backdrop, and we can put the dog anywhere we want. So I'm gonna be selecting the bedroom. Looks like we are done. We have a dog. The dog is in the bedroom. So let's get started. Let's train our dog. So I need to tell my dog to... Let's start with something very simple. So when I click on the dog, I want the dog to move a little bit. So I need to tell my dog to move when I click on the dog or when I touch my dog. So if I touch my dog, I want the dog to walk or to move. Okay, let's find this in events. So I would say when this sprite is clicked. Okay, so this will happen when we touch the dog. We need some motion because the dog should be moving, and then we will drag this. It says here move 10 steps. I'm gonna drag it right here. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to touch my dog, and then it actually moved 10 steps. It doesn't look like a long step, like this is just 10 steps. What's gonna happen if you want to move for, let's say, 100 steps? Whoa, that's a lot. That is really fast. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, now we have a problem. I don't like this. I want the dog to move for to walk a long distance, but I don't like this. I don't like it to jump and teleport just like that. I know it's a computer dog. I know it's very fast, but I am a human. I need to see my dog walking like slowly so I can actually see it. I know it can teleport like this. So I need to tell the dog to wait a little bit, move a little bit, wait a little bit, move a little bit, wait a little bit, just to make me see the movement. So I'm going to go to control and I'm going to drag this. Let's see what's going to happen. So wait for 1 second. Okay, move for 10 steps. and then move for 10 steps, and then wait for 1 second, and then move for 10 steps, and then wait for 1 second, and then move for 10 steps. So move, wait, move, wait, move, wait. Okay, I see the dog is actually moving on its own, but really slowly. Okay, so I think we can just wait for a shorter time. So let's say wait for 0.1, 1/10 of a second. Okay, 1/10 of a second, 1/10 of a second. Let's see what's going to happen. When I click on the dog actually moved a little bit. I mean, still a short distance, but at least I can see the dog moving. I don't have to see it teleport. So we can actually make it easier, like make it easier than this, other than just say move and then wait and then move and then wait. No, we can just say repeat this for, let's say, 10 times. So I don't need to put it everywhere, I just need to say it once, and then I can say, okay, just repeat all of this 10 times. Wow, so it repeated this 10 times. It waited for 0.1 seconds and then moved for 10 steps and then waited and then moved and then waited and then moved for 10 times. What's going to happen if I say repeat this for 50 times? Oh, the dog is walking now. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Don't go away. Okay, stop. Stop. Well, I need to put the dog like back in the original position. So I'm going to put another event. Remember the first event? When I touch the dog, it moves. Okay, when I click on this flag icon, I need the dog to go back to the original position. So I would say, okay, motion, and then, okay, go to, where do I want the dog to go? Okay, I will make the dog go to, let's say, 0 and 100. Oh, that is on the top. Okay, so I would say 0 and minus, okay, minus 10, minus 100, and then minus 100. Let's see what happens. Okay, the dog is at this position, and then when I click on the dog, it walks, and then I stop and then get it back. So we have two commands. We taught the dog today two things: to go to the original position and to walk for, let's say, walk slowly for, I don't know, 10 times 50, so 500 steps. A step is really, really small. Like, this is already 500 steps, so imagine what a step is. So you can go around and play with the numbers, explore, see what other commands could do, and let's see what happens. You can explore it on your own. Tell me in the comments what you did, or if you have any questions or anything you want to learn. So I will see you next time.